They're all in prison. Hey, move up, come on. Move up, let's move. Watch right, I got forward. Watch right over there. He's hit. Move forward, I got you.
There's a guy in the blue hoodie in front of us. Hey, Lawson, you. Never mind.
You see that guy's helmet? Lots of enemies at Chopped House. We haven't pushed into the corner. He's moved. He moved. I know what you're talking about. He just moved. He's hit. Hey, LMG, you're LMG? Can you get this site right here? We have a lot of them moving in from this way. You'll see them all. See them all right there moving? There you go.
Oh my fucking God, call us. Thank you.
There we go. There's two more over there. Two more over there.
Keep shooting them. I got this.
Whoa, hit! Medic! Medic! You got two people! Thank you. Hey, contact right! Contact right, heavy! Contact right!
Oh, no, never mind. I like it.
This Texas Red checking into command. Got a lot of force at prison.
Get shot from both directions.
Dead. Hey, you got three. Contact front. I'm gonna go to you and we'll pop up at the same time. Got it? Let's move to these barricades. He's dead. He's down. Hey, what's it looking like? Hey, big guy. Rotate over here. Watch this back end. Got you covered. Come on, move. Watch that left side. I got contact on this left side. This is Texas Red coming in. I need some reinforcements at prison. Our numbers are getting a little thin. Right? Watch your...
There's a fire right there.
Where? You got him?
I got one.
Okay.
3 or 4 of them over here, man. On the edge of there.
Hey, stand behind me. Hold me up. Ready? 3, 2. Got one.
All right. They're all standing out too. Got one more.
Just watch that way. Down. He's hit. One more. All 3 down. Let's move. Hit. Ow, ow, ow.